All right, this is Liberty inventory number 50500, and it's a Bridgeport Series 1 2 horsepower vertical milling machine. Serial number 12BR 249846.
All right, so yeah, we'll just jump right in and run it, I guess. Spindle's the most important part of the machine, so here we are. Wheels in good shape. Anyhow, up front, counterbalance spring works, and I think I'm under power. Let's just go. I'm in what, high range? Let's start in low range and work up to high. Here's low range, clockwise, and we're down mid range, 260. 400. It's not bad. In low, that's high in the low range. Still pretty far up there. 240. Yeah, 170. And get down real low, 100. That works good. We can flip it over to high speed. Brake. And let's get that in there. And we'll flip it back on again. Clockwise, maybe mid-range. We got the feed drive engaged too. I just left it on. We're gonna play with the quill in a second here. I'll take it up. 24. 28, almost in the red zone. We'll leave it right there. Sounds good. Mid-range. For a lot of guys run out right about here. That said, let it coast down. I don't know if we're flopping around in there. We got it. Yeah, we got the drawbar in there. I don't even have anything in the collet, but we're okay there. So yeah, we'll kick it back on then, just to fire up the feed drive here. Get this up close. That should trip out. Yeah, works nice. And just for the sake of looking at it, you see the different speed ranges here. Slow, mid-range. Go one more time in mid-range, I guess. They all work. Good deal. Where we at? Motor off. We've covered that. 2 horse. As long as you're up here, you get up on the digital. I can move these. And yeah, Sony scale works nice. There's X. There's Y. That all looks pretty good. And it actually feels pretty good. The actual backlash on the screw down here, Pete, maybe this one's about, 18, maybe 20, and then it picks up the scale right away. And this one's not all bad either. If I come over here, this is about 10, 21, 22 maybe. So that's the backlash right there. It's in pretty good shape. It's not bad. They got it set pretty close too. It's nice and snug. This one feels good. Oiler's working. I pumped it up a few times. That works good. And of course, vertical for what it's worth. It's not a problem. Locks off. Locks off. The locks off. That one was on. There we go. Locks off. Like I said, oiler works. I'll throw it on just because. Keep some oil in there. And we got the set of cowlets up here. And
let's just show condition of the ways and condition of the table.
Oh yeah, and let me pull these off. I forgot. Yeah, these are just sitting here, so I meant to get those off of there. So the covers are nice, but yeah, the table looks good. Let me put these down here. Looks good. If you can get back in there, or
I will.
Yeah, or the front. I'm mid-range right now on Y. And I already looked at the table. The table looks good up underneath there. The V-ways look good. We're getting oil, so. Dial that back a little bit for you. This is all that matters right in here, and really looks quite good, really. So.
It looks beautiful.
Yeah, yeah. If I take the oil off of there, and there's that one. And you get this one. It's kind of dark in here, but you kind of see it. Mm-hmm. Camera's picking it up.
And quill is good?
Yeah, we can bring it all the way down, sure. Let me drop this. These are nice. I like these button drops. Yeah, this is, you can kind of look around, but it looks clean. It looks really nice, really. There's not a mark on that thing. Yeah.
Yeah, it is nice.
So that said, you mentioned 2-horse, ways look good, table ways look good. Really, all that's left is the power feed drive here, and that's about it. So whenever you're ready, we can look at that with the drive running too.
Yeah, let's do that.
Yeah, just kick it in. You see right about, it's got a good strong spring. Boy, when that clutch is in, it's in, but there's the drive going, and we're clocking up there. And it does work too, but they both, if you want to just reset them, they both work that way. And then we'll go slow, I'm gonna go rapid, you'll hear it. Yep. And if you're looking down here, the not safeties, but the cutoffs do work. That's all, just shuts it off, picks it up again. And we'll come back the other way. And that one works too over here. Nice to have.
That's great.
Yeah, and limit, and like I said, slow it down, speed it up. Let me move this out of the way before we crash it. There we go. And neutral, and there's nothing else to talk about here.
Okay,
There we go.
excellent.